Hello guys, we are going to do an art journal page with watercolors. So here you have the last page with it together, and then I get obsessed with the flowers and I keep going and doing more flowers with collage. So you have the template for these flowers in the previous video that you can download for free on my blog. And then here you have this abstract background that we are going to do in the art journal page. So I am just using a simple pencil, drawing, just filling in the spaces. I don't have any measure. And I don't mind that the line is visible afterwards under the watercolor. In fact, I think it's another layer more, and I absolutely love to see the drawings. So I will keep it like this, but if you don't like it, you can erase it. Just don't pass on top of the line, and then you will see that you can erase it easily. So I start with a very not super pigmented layer of watercolor. I am using here Jane Davenport watercolors that I have for a long time, and I use it a lot. So I am just filling in the figures that we have just drawn, and I will be giving more layers on top of that ones to get more intense color. But for the moment, I just start like this because I never know if I want it more or less intense. So I rather prefer to give more layers than then go too intense, and there is no solution for that. So I just I am using this brown earth color, and then black because I absolutely love the black. And then I had these black marks already from the beginning, that it was because I was painting on the other page, and some of it just passed through this page. And that gave me an idea to do splashes on the background. So I tried to camouflage these marks, and I think it worked. And if I'm not happy at the end, I can always put the sentiment over there or whatever. But for the moment, I think the splashes worked, and everything um, worked together now on my taste. It's my opinion. And so I would recommend also that you cover all the table, because for me it was super messy on the other part outside the art journal. It's not an issue because watercolor is very easy to clean, but just take that in mind. So now I have bought these acrylic paint markers. Um, it's a very cheap brand, so I am testing them here, and it's not like the Posca, because till now I had Posca markers, but they are a little expensive. So I try to find something more affordable, and especially because this is only for the background, so I really don't need very expensive acrylic markers. So it it works. It's not super opaque, but it's fine for my taste. For some details here and there, I think I would use it. And so here I'm doing some testing because I wasn't sure which color I would be using in the end. And in the end, I liked the blue, so I am using another shade of the blue, and that I like. So now that the page is completely dry, so I give it some minutes to dry, I am just using the ruler to draw the lines. And for me, it's better to have it like in a horizontal position. So I am just moving the art journal. And I was drawing like 2 lines, and then I will fill in the spaces between the 2 lines. But you could probably also leave it like it was. But I like it more like thick lines. So in the end, I pass by again, filling in the spaces. And now that I see the blue here, I like it a lot. So I think that is what it needed, the page. And as I said, this is just the background. Then I will be drawing the focal point, but I didn't have time. So I will show you next week. But I am thinking about a girl, a very big drawing there, in black and white probably, we think, and watercolors, but I will show you next week. For the moment, we have already the background, which is a lot, and then we can work on the focal point and the sentiment. So now I want more intense color, so I am giving another layer of watercolor. And I find super relaxing the watercolor. Today I needed something like this, not thinking too much, just enjoying uh, painting and relaxing. It's a perfect plan for Sunday. And finally, I'm giving some mixed media touches with this stamp offset after. I am stamping randomly on the borders. And that's it for today. I hope you like it. If so, please give me a thumbs up. You can also subscribe to my channel. And see you next time, guys. Bye.